How to change language on Bilibili. Now, if you haven't downloaded this app yet, then just head over to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, and then just immediately search or look for Bilibili. And this is the Bilibili HD anime videos application right here. Now, make sure also well that you're currently running the latest version of the app so that you'll not encounter any problems. Now, let's just go ahead and open up our application and make sure that you logged into your account. Now, changing language on Bilibili might not be available for all country or region. Now, you should be able to know if changing language in Bilibili is going to be available for you. So all I have to do is to locate the Me tab right here, which is located at the lower right portion of your screen. Choose on Me, and then just scroll down a bit till you find Settings. Now choose on Settings, so this is what I was actually talking about earlier. So I'm currently located at the southeast, which is going to be the Philippines. So content language is actually not available on either of my options in here. But if it's going to be available on your end, just simply tap on content language, tap on that, and then choose on your preferred language on whatever you'll be changing it to. And that's how you change language on Bilibili.